From not knowing anything about AI to building alongside it, right? That's great.
For the future, it's like in the networking, it's AI will be lead.
Do you mean to say that that is something very important in networking as well? So now we are going to play a small rapid fire round with you. Are you excited for it? Because I am.
Okay.
They were told AI is the future, so they started building it today. Welcome back to another episode of Journey with AI Interns. Today, we have Qesish, who is going to walk us through his journey of AI internship. Welcome to the show, Qesish. How are you feeling?
Fine, good.
All okay?
Yeah.
Great. Thank you for coming in the show. Could you please introduce yourself?
I am Qesish Kumar Marana and I am from Odisha. I have completed my BTech in the branch of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have completed CCNA in the Network Home and CCNP up to advanced. And after that, I now currently doing internship in Ollasoftware.
That's great to hear. You were a student before and you carried on the journey to an internship. So how are you feeling about that?
To get internship, it's a bright start for my future journey, and it will be gonna help me to further future my.
Yes.
So it's a great opportunity to get a internship here.
Because we all know and we all hear that every company wants an experienced candidate, right? And getting an internship here, I think you are getting to learn a lot as well. I hope you are getting to learn a lot.
Yeah, doing here internship like we are like learning theory knowledge and practical knowledge, and as well as like dealing with AI integrate with applications, everything. We are testing features, every like networking, all softwares from the Ollasoftware. Those are the softwares applications are there.
Right.
All are the network basis, like 24 observe and quick ZTN, everything is like networking basis. So we are testing the all features. It's like connectivity between the one device to another device. It's like it's completely successfully or not. We are debugging and all features.
Yeah.
And it's we are not like debugging the code. We are debugging the like features is working or not.
Right.
That's all.
Do you mean to say that that is something very important in networking as well?
For the future, it's like in the networking, it's AI will be lead.
Yes.
In the networking field. So there is some chances to use the AI and get in the market.
Yeah. Definitely. I think AI is ruling everywhere. But instead of you saying that AI is going to take my job, I think you are someone who is going to be like, I'm going to work with AI so that I can get a job maybe.
There is no place like AI cannot replace human totally. So there is like to implement AI and manage AI, whatever he is doing. Right. So there is a requirement of human resource.
Of course.
AI will not gonna replace whole like 100% of human resource.
Of course. Thank you so much for telling this to our audience as well. I think it calms them a bit and they'll also understand that AI does have a future, but so do you, I guess. So how did you get to know about this internship? Can you tell us a bit more?
During my CCNP courses, there is like in network some they are maintaining some WhatsApp group. Okay. So in that group they are posting some like job related vacancies and latest internships, everything. So I get to know about this internship from the WhatsApp group. So after that I contact to the HR. So they conduct some interview. I attend that interview and I got selected.
Congratulations for getting selected. So what got you interested to start this internship? Because a lot of people I spoke to, they are like, we are scared to start this internship. We don't want to do the internship. We directly want to get a job. So why did you come here?
Okay, a lot of students are like thinking they are not like 100% it's covering that knowledge and everything. Even you are having that 50% knowledge and 10%, whatever you have knowledge, get to start something in the job related. If you not enter to the job and everything, if you wait for if I complete everything and 100% of module and everything knowledge, then it will take too much time and it is so much time waste. Right. You can go in the 50% of knowledge.
Yes.
That opportunity.
So in internship, do you feel that you are getting a good opportunity to practice everything?
Yeah, I am getting access to all things like his practical knowledge and everything. For during this internship, I am learning lot of things.
Can you tell us more about these things now? Like what projects you're working on, what kind of tools you're using in these projects.
Okay. From starting, we all teams are we all friends are joining here. So we are starting with some multiple projects 24 Observer and QuickZT and Olasync. Everything is we are testing together.
Oh.
So after some time we are separated, two members one project, otherwise one member one project. So first I started with 24 Observer and QuickZT, and now I am in the Olalink project.
Okay.
So I have that full control on that project, and I'm building that full product ready. So that is my project, and it's based on the web-based RDP.
That's a huge responsibility, I see, right? Like from working with your friends on different projects to working alone on a single project, like independently. It's a huge deal. So, a lot of people have assumptions about AI, right? So what is that one thing people assume about AI internship that is not true? And you got to know when you came here. So, because people have a lot of assumptions that AI is going to take the job away, blah, 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 right? So after coming here, was there any of that myth that got bursted is what I'm trying to ask. Like assumption that was broken after you started your internship here.
All students are thinking nowadays AI will replace all things. So when I got internship here, I know we can use AI, enter into a job and get a job. So it's not a difficult to get to compete with AI.
So what are the tools that you got to experience here for the first time? The ones that you're using in your project, the ones that you got to, have hands-on training.
Okay, in the internship, we are get to know we are using the tools to test every application and web softwares. We are using anti-gravity and VS Code and VS Code means. And in that VS Code and anti-gravity, we are integrate all AI agents.
Okay.
So using that agent, we are testing all things. So, and there is so many projects 24 Observer and Olalink and QuickZT, and these are also tools which are built by Ollasoftware.
When we are in a journey, we sometimes feel stuck, or sometimes we are like, I don't want to do this anymore. I just want to quit and go back home. Did it ever happen to you as well?
Yes, it's same thing happened to me. But from last 4 to 5 days, facing same condition. I'm on the Olalink project. That project is not improving. So it's stuck in the one single position, same position. So I'm not ever come to next step. So I'm facing that problem. And now today I improved a little bit.
So how were you feeling before when it was not improved? And how are you feeling now that it is improved a little bit also? Because one step at a time. So can you tell us?
I'm excited
to
my work.
Yeah. So you are excited to work on it again.
Yeah.
Right? That's great to hear that you're back on track as well. Did you find any changes from day one when you started this internship to the day you are here speaking on the podcast with me?
When we are starting this internship, we all are interns are not fully aware of that AI uses and everything, to how to integrate AI to these all things. So now you know everything, not everything, get to exposure to how to use and everything, to test during test and to test this applications and softwares.
That's good to hear that you have seen the changes in yourself from not knowing anything about AI to building alongside it. Right? That's great. So now we are going to play a small rapid fire round with you. Are you excited for it? Because I am.
Okay.
Okay. So Keshav, are you excited to begin?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's begin. So Keshav, coffee or chai while debugging?
Coffee.
That's great. Gemini or Cloud?
Cloud.
Okay. Google it or ask AI first?
Ask AI first.
Trust your instinct or trust the AI answer?
Trust my instance.
That's great. Would you rather catch a bug before launch or fix it after?
Before launch.
Okay. Late night debugging or early morning debugging?
Late night debugging.
Coding all day or testing all day?
Testing all.
Manual testing or letting AI test?
Both.
That's great. Finding bugs or fixing bugs? Which do you enjoy more?
Finding bugs.
Okay. Thank you so much for participating, Keshav. I think we had a wonderful chat with you, and we are really excited to see what all things you will bring into the world of AI. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
And anything that you want to tell our audience who are watching this?
If anyone try to start journey build career in networking field, they can choose Networkers because in Networkers they are providing good courses and theory knowledge and as well as practical knowledge, and there is a huge lab. You can use 24 hours
That's great.
with 7.
That's great to hear.
Yeah, more things like they are conducting so many interviews. And so you can choose Networkers.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much, Keshav, once again. And all the very best for your journey forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
As you all saw, the future is being built. Come build with us at Networkers Home. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in another episode of Journey with AI Interns. Till then, this is your host, Rahi, signing off. Thank you.